Afrikaans. It's similar to Dutch, like Dutch language. So for example, if I say hello, how are you? Hello, hoe gaan dit met jou? We do a lot of like hoe gaan dit met jou? Ek is goed. Like that kind of. Hello,
Hi.
how are you doing? Are you doing good?
Yes, I'm well. And you?
Thank you. I'm good, thanks. Can you just let me know your name and then where you're from?
My name is English. I am from India.
Like English, the language?
No, my name is English.
Your name is English, spelled like this?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, that's the same as the language you are speaking, English.
Yes.
Wow, okay, so very easy to say then. And you're from India. Well, hello, English. My name is Mika, and I am from South Africa, but I currently live in Morocco.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, English for today, what would you like to do?
I like to do traveling and painting, reading.
Mm-hmm.
You are from South Africa.
Yes, I'm from South Africa.
Oh, I'm so excited to know about of South Africa.
Oh, why?
Because I have only seen videos in movies.
Wait, what movies are you watching that South Africa is there?
I don't know movies name. I just see.
Okay. Would you like to go to South Africa one day?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And because it is famous animal forest.
Yes, there's many different animals. Which one are you talking about?
Yeah.
Like the tiger. Well, we have tigers, we have elephants, and we have
lions.
Mm-hmm. We have a lot. And then also, did you know, English, that if India, outside of India, South Africa has the biggest population of Indians?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes. I saw some days ago some short
Yes.
video I seen. In South Africa, Bollywood so famous. I saw.
Yes.
You know Bollywood?
Mm-hmm. We have in South Africa, we had a whole like conference just for Bollywood. So you can go eat Indian food, you can go watch Bollywood films. There's so many Indians in South Africa.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. My dad is from my dad's from South Africa, but my dad is Indian.
Oh, so yes. When I saw your profile, then I think you look like an Indian.
Ah, half Indian, only half. Only my dad is Indian, but my mom isn't.
Oh.
But
Have you
yes.
ever come to India?
No, I haven't come to India. No, I don't. No, I haven't. Yes, I don't.
You like Indian? You like Indian food, Indian
Of
culture?
course, my mom makes the best Indian food, I think. But my
What's your
mom's not Indian.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite has to be, I would say it's South African Indian. It's called chops chutney.
Chops chutney?
Mm-hmm. I will show you. It's called chops. Chops is like the lamb, the sheep. We eat a lot of lamb in South Africa. So it's like, let me see if I can show you. I'm going to show you on my screen what it is. Tell me when you can see my screen, okay?
Yes. It's
So the lamb and we put inside, it's like garlic, tomato, onion, coriander, or dhania, and
Oh, it's veg.
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 What's that?
Veg. It's veg or non-veg?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know any Hindi.
Oh, I mean, it's vegetable. Yeah, non-veg. I mean, chicken.
Oh
Yeah.
no. Oh, sorry. It's meat.
Oh.
Non-vegetarian.
Oh.
Do you only eat vegetarian?
No, no.
Okay. So yes, that's my favorite. And then my family, they like biryani, but I don't like biryani that much.
Oh.
Yes. Sorry?
You like rice?
It depends. It depends. If it's with food, then yes. But if it's by itself,
Oh.
yes. But I
I
like chicken curry and everything.
you like curry?
Curry is my favorite.
Oh, yes. In a mixed vegetable curry.
We don't actually, in South Africa, we don't actually eat a lot of vegetable food. We eat a lot of meat and vegetables together.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, but
So
my
meat
grandma,
is your favorite. So
yes,
meat
in
is
South
your
Africa,
favorite.
yes, South Africans, we love meat a lot.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's
But my grandma,
yes.
my dad's mom, we called her Haya. So Haya was vegetarian. She only ate vegetables. Mhm.
Yeah. So many Indians are only vegetable.
Yes, because of religion, right?
Yes.
Mhm. What about you?
You know. I saw your profile. You know Korean language. It's easy to learn.
Korean language. Yes, it's very easy. The alphabet is very, very easy.
Their letter.
You can understand a little bit of Korean?
N- Understand their letters. It's
Oh, okay. Also, I'm so sorry, English, if you hear some noises. I think they're busy working in my building.
no.
Can you speak Korean?
No, I can speak Korean. I can speak six five sentence Chinese.
Mm. So you can speak English and you can speak Hindi, and then do you
My,
speak another language?
my mother tongue is Odia, and I can speak little bit Telugu and 4 5 lines Chinese.
Chinese?
Yes.
Like fluently or only a little bit?
No, little bit.
Mm. All I know in Chinese is like 你好,我很好,谢谢. And then
Yes, yes.
我爱你,我不知道.
Yes.
That's all I know.
Ni hao ma. It then means
Mm.
to. It then means
And do you know
it
how to
then
say
means to
anything?
mean
Oh, sorry.
it then means to means what is your name?
你名字,
It then
like
means
you
to.
say mine, like I am Mika, 我是 Mika. And then I know how to say 我是南非人, which means I am South African.
I know what is your name. So my name is English. Oh, they mean CC English.
Mm. Do you know how to say hello in Korean?
Hello, Niha.
In Korean? Do you know how to say it in Korean?
No. I know Korean.
Okay. sorry, Korean is very easy. Like the alphabet is very easy to learn. So you can learn the alphabet in about 30 minutes, I think.
Yes.
So you should
Actually,
try. So yes. Mhm.
actually, no one is here to practice with me. So language is hard.
You can always this language exchange um like this. Let me see. There's one called Hello Talk, and oh, okay, just try Hello Talk. There are many people that speak different languages, and you can try to make friends online
Yes.
and things like that. Because I used Hello Talk before, and I met a friend on there, so I think it's good. Mhm.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, if you want. Yeah, no problem. If you want to practice. And then Cambly is also a good place to only practice English because there's no Korean or Chinese.
Oh, in Mexico.
Morocco,
Morocco.
nothing actually besides my job. I teach on Cambly, that's like part of my job. Um, because I graduated last year, not last year, I graduated in 2021. Mhm. I
Yes.
studied psychology in America. Mhm. So yes.
So,
What about you? Are you
so
studying?
what's the? Yeah, 1 year ago I finished my degree.
Okay. Mhm.
What's the mother tongue in?
The mother tongue in Morocco is something called Darija, which is like Arabic. It's their version of Arabic. So they speak Arabic, French, Spanish, and then English. But
Okay.
I don't talk any of
In
the
what?
languages.
In Arabic?
Nope, no Arabic, no. A little bit of Arabic and a little bit of French. A little bit I speak. Mhm.
Yes.
But I would. What about you? If you could learn another language, which language would you want to learn?
Right now I learning English. Then I know little bit Telugu, so I want it's fluent Telugu. Then Chinese. Then other language.
Okay. I think Chinese is hard to write, but it's easy. If do you know pinyin?
No, I don't
Pinyin,
know.
that's a Chinese word. It means it's not using Chinese characters, but they use English alphabet to write words. Like ni hao. Like that's pinyin. We use English to write Chinese.
Yes.
So I think pinyin is easier than the actual Chinese characters because they're really hard to write and to read.
Yeah. Yes. It's reading and writing is so hard, but listening
Yeah,
then
listening is speaking is easier, but
yeah,
it's the
speaking is
reading and the writing.
no. Chinese letters are so hard.
Mm. I know. All I know is like the Chinese for ni hao. I know that because I see it all the time. But besides that, it's a bit difficult because I actually studied Chinese in my different university. So I know a little bit, but not a lot.
Yes.
Mhm.
How
Okay, so
many
let
languages do you speak?
me.
How many languages do you speak?
English is my first language, and then I speak Afrikaans, which is my second, and then I speak Korean.
How is
So
African language? I never listen.
So it's Afrikaans. It's not African. It's Afrikaans. It's similar to Dutch, like Dutch language. So, for example, if I say hello, how are you? Hello, hoe gaan dit met jou? We
Oh,
do a lot of like hoe gaan dit met jou? Ek is goed, like that kind of stuff. Oh, okay, but English, it was so nice talking to you. I hope you have a good rest of your day, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.